Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove WooCommerce edit cart item and redirect add to cart button to checkout page directly in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see product tab, so again click on it. So now we are in product tab and then you see add to cart behavior. So enable this option, redirect to the cart page after successful addition. So enable this option and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to add custom code. Now setting has been saved. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to remove WooCommerce edit cart item and then redirect add to cart button to checkout page directly. So one product at a time in checkout page, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to remove WooCommerce edit cart item, and then you see add filter WooCommerce add to cart redirect. So we are going to redirect add to cart button to checkout page, and by using this code we are going to skip cart page. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see product ceramic mug, so click on add to cart. Now product redirect to checkout page. Now you see has been added to your cart, and then scroll down, you see only one product in checkout page. Again go to shop page, so click on it. Now scroll down and then you see product ceramic, so click on add to cart. Now you see checkout page open directly. After click on add to cart button and then scroll down, in checkout page you see previous product removed and new product added. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.